One of the tools that I like to use to assess students is something called Plickers. With Plickers, it gives you the opportunity to create your own questions and be able to assess your students in real time. So with Plickers, you do have to create your own questions, and you are able to group them into different folders. So that way you can separate it by topic and you can go back to it at a later date or use it the following year as well. As you can see to my right, I have my different classes separated by color. So that way when I do the actual assessment, I'm able to see which periods have completed the assessment. It also gives you reports and question history. So when looking at the question history, it gives you a chance to, it breaks it down by question, the percentage of students that got it correct or not. So that is loading. Okay, so here's the question history. So I'm able to see what percentage of the students in the particular class got those questions correct. I can choose just one class. So for example, I just click my first period and it shows me what percentage of students got the answer correct and what percentage got them incorrect. Also, when going back to the library, you can also upload pictures and things of that nature. With math especially, there are some things that you cannot actually just type in. So the downside to it, I guess, would be it not having something like an equation editor. Just to show you a screenshot of what it looks like when you actually use it. You use your phone. So when you use your phone and you're scanning the room, because they have a QR code, and you're scanning the room, you're able to see like which students in that moment got it correct and got it incorrect. As you can see, their names, green mean they got that question correct, red mean they got it incorrect. So me as a teacher, I'm able to see in that real time which students understand and which students do not understand that particular question. Also, after looking at it, it will tell you which percent of the students got it correct. And when it pops up on the board for the students, they're only able to see how many selected A, B, C, or D. Their names are not posted due to students, wanting to feel comfortable with their selection of answer. Because you always want to create that positive environment in the classroom. So going back, you can also do a live view, and that is when you're ready. You have to get your phone connected. Once your phone is connected to Plickers, then the questions will pop up on this screen. And also, I guess a downside to it would be if your phone ran out of data or if you do not have good service. Now, something that I did find was that if I did not have good service, then picking up those QR codes on the card with my phone and actually the system processing the answers was kind of slow. But it did give me the opportunity to do a real-time assessment of the students. I knew right then, the students were able to see right then because they knew which question they selected. Then the correct answer was posted up on the board. They're able to see how well they're doing in comparison to their classmates in the classroom as well. I feel it is beneficial. It does help. It gives me the opportunity to correct any misconceptions that there may be within that particular moment due to looking at what percentage of students in the classrooms answered the question incorrect or correctly.